Are you still trying to figure it out? Some people are finally able to do it this time, to actually lose weight and to keep it off. No, it's not another crash diet or an extreme workout plan. Both of those are unsustainable. What's working now is real support with real tools that help people make progress and feel good while doing it. We look at the full picture, like, are you skipping meals and then overeating later in the day? Are your snacks actually making you hungrier instead of satisfied? Is stress or lack of sleep affecting your cravings? Or maybe you've done it all the right things and now it's time to explore medications as a supportive option. It's different for everyone. That's why the focus is always on you. As a nutritionist, I will work with you and make a plan that's not just effective but doable, something that fits your real life and your personal needs. Because this isn't just about weight loss, it's about feeling better, gaining confidence, and finally feeling able to control your health. If you're wondering what you're missing, maybe it's just the right team. We'd love to walk with you. Click the link in our bio or visit meridianweightloss.com/form to get started.